Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite photographer Divanus Osoko. So on this video I'm going to show you guys how to change a boring studio backdrop to a stunning look. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. So before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorial. And if also you are looking for actions and loads, you can check the description box. You see a link there that will take you to where to get that. So let's just get started. At first, what I need to do at this point is selecting the subject. So it's either you can use your quick selection or any tools right here, but on this video I have already saved selection on it because I didn't want to waste time on selecting, cropping and all of that. So what I'm going to do here is that I'll just right click, but before that I need to duplicate this background layer right here. It's either by bringing it down here, you can now see it has duplicated it, but or you can click on your command J on your keyboard. It's actually still the same thing. So after I'm done with this, I need to load my selection, but on yours you might choose to select the subject at this point. So I'll just load the selection. You can now see it is being applied on it. So after loading the selection, I'll group this layer right here by just dragging it down to this point, and it has actually grouped the layer. So I want to highlight this subject out, like I just want to highlight the subject to be on its own. So anything I'm doing inside the group is only going to affect just the background, not the subject. So to do that, I'll just click on my shift command I. It's going to invert the selection. So after inverting the selection, I'll add a mask to it. So this is the mask right here. So at this point, anything I'm doing inside this group won't affect the subject. So I'll come, select this, then I'll go to the background. So this is the background I want to change it to. So I'll just go to the background. Make sure you change it to a move tool. So after changing that, I'll just drag it to the image. So once I drag this to this image, I'll just zoom it out. Then I'll click on my command T to transform so I can size it well. So I'll just drag. I'll just take this down here. So I think like this is nice. So anyhow you want to do, but once you're done with this step, you come right here and click this point right here. So after clicking that point, that's what is loading. So you can now see the background, but the ground part of this background is looking really obvious that it's not original. So I'll just come here, I'll add a mask, then I'll pick my brush and make sure the opacity is at 40, and I'll just increase the brush and also make sure it's on a soft round brush and the hardness should be 0. So once you're done with all these settings, you change the foreground color to black. So I'll just brush it out a bit. So after brushing it out, you can now see the effect of the ground is not looking that pronounced and it's looking real at this point. So once I'm done with that, I want to add some contrast to the background. So I'll come to my curve, then I'll come right down here, then I'll shift it to this point, then I'll reduce the brightness a bit so you can now see. Okay, so the background is ready at this point. So you can now see the before and after, the before and after. So this is how to easily change your background in Photoshop. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more helping tutorial videos. But for now, see you in the next video. Bye.